All right, I invite you to prepare for a guided meditation now by sitting upright as is comfortable for your body. And let's take a nice, long, cleansing, deep breath. Breathing in, exhaling, letting your body relax from the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet. Starting at your feet, and just let's mentally scan our body and just send the message, relax and let go. Becoming aware of your feet, your calves, relax. Just let go. Have the intention of letting go, and you'll notice that your body will start to relax and let go. Relaxing your thighs, allowing your abdomen and stomach to relax, relaxing the pelvic area, the buttocks, relaxing the muscles in your chest, your arms, your hands, your shoulders, relaxing the muscles in your back, moving awareness into your neck, relaxing the front, the back, the sides of your neck. Become aware of your jaw, the muscles in your face. Relax your jaw, relax your cheeks. Sending the thought, relax, let go. Relaxing your eyes back in the sockets. Relaxing the scalp, the whole face, your lips, your tongue, your ears. Let go of unnecessary tensions held in the body. And let us remember the truth together. One of the words for meditation comes from the ancient Sanskrit, smriti, S-M-R-I-T-T-I, which means remembering. Remembering the truth. The ancient philosopher Socrates used to talk about recollection, recollecting the truth, remembering it. The truth is something that exists. We don't vote it into existence. We don't believe it into existence. It simply is. We can become aware of that truth, that presence, that activity of spirit expressing in and through and as us. And that presence is expressing uniquely as you. You are a unique spark, expression of that infinite spirit, that infinite presence. There's no other expression exactly like you. Spirit is seeking to unfold in unique ways in you, as you, in your life. Science tells us that each one of us really is seeing a world that's unique to us. We don't actually look through our eyes. Rather, light reflects off the world around us, goes into our senses, and we interpret what it is that we're seeing right in our brain. So each one of us is having a unique movie. Every single moment we're experiencing, it's like life is putting on a show uniquely to us. Why? Because each one of us is unique. Each one of us has our own interpretation of reality. Every person, a unique expression. I am a unique expression of the Spirit. I'm a unique expression of God expressing as me. And within me is everything I need to be myself, to let spirit express as me. The divine intelligence, the creativity, the energy, the power, the strength, everything necessary to allow spirit to be spirit as me. Jesus knew this about himself. Buddha knew this. Krishna, all the great saints and sages. And they said that what's true of them is true of you. Jesus expressed it, I and the Father are one. I and the Spirit are one. Just like the wave is one with the ocean. I am a unique expression of spirit. I invite you to hold that idea in your mind. I am a unique expression of spirit. And then listen and wait to feel, to know that truth. To feel the inner peace, the inner well-being. To open yourself, to a greater expression of yourself. The transcendent you expressing in and through and as you. I am a unique expression of spirit. Through my receptivity, I allow this presence and activity to express more fully through and as me. I'm receptive to the flow of guidance, to the flow of healing, energy, vitality, strength. I'm in tune with the flow of creative ideas. The success principle expressing in and through and as me. I'm grateful for being guided and directed in every way. And imagine yourself now, radiant with the light of your being. As he said, you're the light of the world. Your light is unique. You're a unique expression of light, the light of spirit. See it filling your whole being and radiating forth. And let us now see that in our friends and family and loved ones. See them as unique expressions of light. See them radiant beings of light, casting out all fears, all darkness, filling their body and their being with healing, with peace, with strength, uplifting their soul. For they are expressions of the same presence, a unique expression. And we expand and we include every person on the planet. We include the planet Earth itself, seeing the earth enfolded in God's light, which is everywhere present. We see it as a sphere of light, floating in the middle of this galaxy, encompassing and enfolding all of life, all the people, all the animals, Mother Earth, all the trees, plants, flowers, rivers, seas, oceans, everything, valleys. And we send forth love and light and peace from our hearts, from that infinite source that is within us. And we are grateful. We're grateful. And we bring our awareness now back to the room where we are, hearing the sounds around us, moving toes, moving fingers, feeling the chair beneath us, feeling our feet on the floor, grounding ourselves, ready to go back into our life, letting Spirit express through everything that we're involved in. We go forth with the attitude of letting, as Meister Eckhart said, letting God be God in me, as me, through me, on earth as it is in heaven. And let us just feel grateful for that. And so it is. Amen.